of the Mathematics 1. Today our topic is partial derivative, lecture number 5. In last session we have discussed about the second order and higher order partial derivative and also discussed about the mixed value theorem. Okay, so today we are taking differentiation of the function of function. Now if w equal to f of r and r equal to g of xy, that means w contain the function of r and function of r is contain g of xy, then w del by del x equal to del dw by dr into del r by del x and del w by del y equal to dw upon dr into del r by del y. Now if w equal to f of r and r equal to g of xyz, then del w upon del x equal to dw upon dr into del r by del x. dw upon del y equal to dw upon dr into del r by del y. And del w by del z equal to dw upon dr into del r by del z. Now, if b equal to 1 by r and r is contained the function of xyz, then show that v of xyz satisfy the Laplace equation del square v by del x square plus del square v by del y square and del square v by del z square equal to 0. So, we are taking v equal to 1 by r and r equal to r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So, what is our del v by del x? It is del v by del r into del r by del x. So, we require first of all del v by del r. What is our del v by del r? It is minus 1 upon r square into x by r. So, we are getting minus x upon r cube. Similarly, del square v by del x square, we are getting u by v rule. So, we get the value of minus r cube minus 3x square r upon r raised to 6. That is our equation number 1. Now, we are taking del square v by del y square as similarly as del square v by del x square and del square v by del z square. Similarly, we get from the del square v upon del x square minus r cube minus 3z square r upon r raised to 6. From the equation 1, 2 and 3, LHS del square v by del x square plus del square v by del y square plus del square v by del z square. Put all the equations. Here denominator are same, so we add the numerator and we get minus 3r cube plus 3r into r square upon r raised to 6. So it is 0. It is RHS. So this example is satisfy the Laplace equation. Now next example, if u equal to f of r and r square equal to x square plus y square, then prove that del square v by del x square plus del square v by del y square equal to f double dash r plus 1 by r f dash r. So u equal to f of r and r square equal to x square plus y square, del u by del x equal to del u by del r into del r by del x. What is our del u by del r? It is f dash r because of u equal to f of r. What is del r by del x? It is x by r. Again we differentiate u with respect to x, then use the division rule. So we getting f dash r as a constant and taking d by u by v rule for the x by r, we getting r square r into 1 minus x del r by del x. So in the last term we get f dash r minus x square by r upon r square plus f double dash r plus x square upon r square. So equation 1 we get f dash r square minus x square upon r cube plus f double dash r x square upon r square. See. Okay. Now similarly we get del square v by del y square f dash r square minus y square upon r cube plus f double dash r y square upon r square. That is equation number 2. So now put in the LHS del square v by del x square plus del square v by del y square. Put all the values. What is our del square v by del x square? First term, that is f dash r square minus x square upon r cube plus f double dash r x square by r square. Similarly for del square v by del y square. F dash r is common and in the second term f double dash r common. So we get f dash r 2r square minus x square plus y square upon r cube plus f double dash r upon r square upon r square. So f dash r 2r square minus r square upon r cube plus f double dash r and we get 1 upon r f dash r plus f double dash r. This is our RHS. Okay. Next example, if u equal to r raised to m and r equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square, then show that del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square equal to m plus 1 r raised to m minus 2. This is a most IMP example and also its unique example. See, we taking u equal to r raised to m and r equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. Then del u by del x is m r raised to m minus 1 because of it's r raised to m and it is del r by del x. Okay. So what is our m r raised to m minus 1 into x by r because of del r by del x is x by r. So our answer is m x r raised to m minus 2. Okay. So del square u by del x square is m x m minus 2 r raised to m minus 3 and del r by del x plus r raised to m minus 2 into 1. This is the multiplication rule. So we get m x m minus 2 r raised to m minus 3 x by r plus r raised to m minus 2. So due to this we get equation m minus 2 x square r raised to m minus 4 plus m r m minus 2. Okay. So similarly we get del square u by del y square equal to m minus 2 y square r raised to m minus 4 plus m r raised to m minus 2. This is our equation number 2. Similarly, we get for the z function, LHS is del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square. Put all the equation 1, 2 and 3 in the LHS. We getting m minus 2 is common, x square r raised to m minus 2, m r m minus 2, m minus 2 y square, r raised to m minus 4 and m r m minus 2. For the z, m minus 2 z square r raised to m minus 4 plus mr raised to m minus 2. So m minus 2 is common and r raised to m minus 4 is common. We get x square plus y square plus z square plus 3mr m minus 2. But what is our x square, y square and z square? It is our r square. So m minus 2 m minus 2 plus 3mr minus 2. m minus 2 common, we get m minus 2 plus 3. So it is answer is m plus 1 r raised to m minus 2. This is our RHS. Total differentiation of composite function of one variable. If w equal to f of xy and x equal to g of t and y equal to h of t, then w is a function of t. Then it is called composite function of the single variable t. Now total derivative of the w with the respect of t is given by d omega or dw upon dt equal to del w by del x into dx by dt plus del w by del y into dy by dt. If it is function of three variable f of x, y, z and x equal to g of t, y equal to h of t and z equal to r of t, then w is a function of t and it is called the composite function of single variable t. So total derivative of w with respect to t is given by del w by del t is del w by del x into del x by del t plus del w by del y into dy by dt plus del w by del z into dz by dt is the last equation. Now taking the example of the total derivative, using chain rule we get w dw by dt for the function w equal to x square plus y square plus z square, where x equal to t cos t, y equal to t sin t and z equal to t, and also find dw by dt at the t equal to 2. Solution, w equal to x square, y square, z square and x equal to t cos t. So we get y equal to t sin t and z equal to t. By the total differentiation and chain rule, dw by dt equal to del w by del x dx by dt plus dw by dy into dy by dt plus dw by dz into dz by dt is the equation number 1 as per the total derivative formula. So del w by del x is 2x due to w equal to x square, y square, z square. Similarly del w by del y is 2y and del w by del z is 2z. What is our del x by del t? That is t minus sin t plus cos t. Del y by del t is t cos t plus sin t and del z by del t is 1. Put all the value in the equation 1, we get 2x minus t sin t plus cos t plus 2y, t cos t plus sin t 2z into 1. Solve this example, we get 2t cos square t plus sin square t plus 2t and 2t plus 2t. So we get 4t as our answer. But we have to find the value of dw by dt at the t equal to 2. So we get the answer is 4. 8. Okay. Now find the du by dt if u equal to x square e raised to y, where x equal to sin t and y equal to cos t. Also find the value of t equal to pi by 2. So u equal to x square e raised to y and x equal to sin t, y equal to cos t. Due to total differentiation and chain rule, du by dt equal to del u by del x into dx by dt plus del u by del y into dy by dt. So equation 1, we get del u by del x equal to 2x e raised to y and del u by del y equal to x square e raised to y. So what is dx by dt equal to cos t, dy by dt equal to minus sin t. Put all the equation in equation 1, del u by del x plus dx by dt plus del u by del y into dy by dt. Put all value, we get e raised to cos t sin t 2 cos t minus sin square t. And at that point t equal to pi by 2, we get du by dt equal to e cos pi by 2 sin pi by 2 2 cos pi by 2 minus sin square pi by 2. So what is our answer? Answer is minus 1. Okay. Some examples of this topic is here to do yourself and try to solve this example using the total derivative and the chain rule. Thank you.